So welcome everyone to the fifth episode of the Saving of the Last of the Runaways, Dance of Remnants. So today we're going to talk about the delay effects and the selections of the effects processor. Now, as we know in the past, Dan used the 2290 and then several other delays effects. And I believe in one of the Mike Oxley photo, it shows that Dan uses this Eventide, the TC Electronics 2290 Dynamic Digital Delay Effects and Control Processor. Now, this is not from Dan Remnants, but I had a chance to found online and then got a pretty good deal for this unit. This is like what everyone's raves about the king of delays, and TC made really amazing products. And the setup for this is actually from the TC 2290 input gets from the loop number 7, and since we press the switch, so it becomes like it becomes parallel to the from the loop number 6. So as we know, like from the previous video mentioned that loop number 5 to number 1 to the 5th of the RSP 18, it's actually there can be tied together. The loop breaks from 6 to 10, and then 11 is direct for left and right. So the input for loop number 6 is actually came from number 1, the output from number 1 from the JMP, and goes parallel going to 2290. Now 229 from 2290, the output from the 2290 goes to the mixer. The original mixer was the Unity 8 PASEC, the Australian company, which is pretty quite common in Bob Bradshaw as a mixer, line mixer. They use like a Rain SM26, but the one that I got from Dan's Remnants, it was the PASEC Unity 8. Now 2290 goes to the channel 4, and then with the SM10 line mixer, this is actually pretty cool because you can control the monitor and the effects, panning, volume, whatever that the 2290 outputs from the from the input from the RSPR. Now, so what was Dan delays that came from the Remnants? Now, if you pay close attention on the previous build, I believe I added the dimension space delay, the Roland SD330. So here is the unit that I got from that Remnants. So when I first got this unit, the input level broke. So you cannot control really like the min and max. So got replacement of it. I believe dual gang for the linear 10K. And then interestingly enough, there is a patch from Dan. So this is a dance delay, and then let's see like what's the function of this. It's like a stereo delay of this. So at some point he must use this patch in the past. So as you can see here, he got delay note, left, right, similar panning like 300, 600, level, pan left, right, feed controlling like the feedback, and then also the levels. This is a pretty nice unit, and then you can really get a lot of sounds with this. I tried several patches out of this unit, and then it gives like a tremendous amount of the depth of what you can use. Like you can also get like crazy like a U2 type of sound too. Pretty cool unit. I love this unit. I think I can see like why Dan prefer to use this unit rather than like the 2290. But again, 2290 is a nice unit, and then somehow complements whatever delays, you know, the guitar player. Like sometimes like we have too many options, right? So in the next video, I think we're gonna talk about the how this tied together. So pretty much the setups and everything, it's already completed. The routing is also completed. It's functioning as I intended, or as expected. So thank you for watching, and then stay tuned for the next video.